Hi friends, what's up? This is Untitled. Today I will talk about basic networking. Basic of networking. Network. The interconnection of two or more devices called as a network. This is very simple. Interconnection of the two or more devices is called as a network. The communication between two or more interconnected devices is called a networking. The Networking is a connection of two or more networks. The internet working means is communication between two different networks. Types of networking. LAN, local area networking, it is called. Local area networks are used connected networking devices that are in a very close geographical area such as floor of building itself within a campus. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, it is called, are used to connect networking devices that may span around the entire city. WAN, Wide Area Network. This wide area networking is which is connected to or more LAN present as different geographical locations. LAN. This is the Banjarals. Ops is connected. One office. LAN. MAN. This man connected Banjarals Amirpet, only in city. The switch and LANs is connected to different branches in the same city. WAN Hyderabad, CMC Vijayawada is connected with internet and WAN and routers and switches. Basic requirement from networking. What are this? Basically, first need a NSC card. This called for networking interface card, also called as LAN card. Media. Networking devices, up switches, router, extra. Protocols. Logical IP addresses. NSC networking interface card. NSC is the interface between the computer and the networking. It is also known as a LAN card, Ethernet card. The internet cards have a unique 48-bit address called as the MAC Media Access Control address. MAC address also called physical address of hardware address. This 48-bit MAC address is representative of 12 hexadecimal digits. Example 0016 dot D3FC dot 603F. The networking cards are available in different speeds and different shapes. The Ethernet is 10 Mbps, faster Ethernet 100 Mbps, gigabyte Ethernet 1000 Mbps. The media. The purpose of media is to transport from the mission to another mission. The media, guided, unguided, coax cables, twisted pair cables, fiber cable, UTP untrusted pair cables, STP single trusted pair cables, unguided, infrared, RF signals, media. This media UTP untwisted pair cables, this coax cable, this one fiber optical cables, networking devices. To various types of networking devices are repeaters, hubs, bridges, switches, routers. This hub and repeaters. It is not an intelligent device hub. It works with bits, use broadcasting of communication, bandwidth is shared, hub duplex communication, function of hub. This function of hub is given, one net cable is input and given 4 users. This data transfer 4 at a time. Data transfer switch and collision is there. Yeah. Switch, it is an intelligent device. It maintains MAC address table to hardware addresses. Each port of the switch has flexible bandwidth. It works with floating and unicast. Support for duplex communications. Functions of switches. MAC address learning, forwarding. This is the switch symbol is a square type and given to switch symbol. This is a port, one port, two port. The source MAC address and destination MAC address. The data sent one system to switch, and it is destination MAC address, source MAC address, data sent all computers. This is port FA0/1 to FA0.8. This data transferring our MAC address taken, which system is transferred. Bridge and switches. The bridge are software based, the switch are hardware based. The bridge have less number of ports, switch has more ports. Generally used for connecting two different topology segment is bridge. Generally used for connecting single topology segment is the switch. Router. It is intelligent device. It is work with logical address, IPs, IPX, and AppleTalk. It works with a flexible bandwidth, internet connecting, networking devices. This is the main important this slide. I will explain. Please listen very carefully. The PC of bridge switches. What are the connecting? PC. PC tube is the cross cable. PC to PC is the cross cable. PC to hub is the straight cable. PC to bridge is the cross cable. PC to switch is straight cable. PC to router is the cross cable. Hub, if you connect in a cable, hub to PC straight cable, up to hub cross cable, up to bridge straight cable, up to switch cross cable, router to up to router switch. The bridge is the bridge to PC cross cable, bridge to hub straight cable, bridge to bridge cross cable, bridge to switch straight cable, bridge to router cross cable. The switch switch to PC straight cable, switch to hub cross cable, switch to bridge and straight cable, switch to bridge and cross cable, router to switch and straight cable. The router cross cables, router to PC cross cable, router to hub straight cable, router to bridge cross cable, the switch straight cable, router to router cross cable. Topologies. This topology is physical layout of system connecting in networking. Different types of topologies are there. Bus topology, ring topology, mesh topology, star topology. This bus topology is all devices connected into single cable backbone. It support all duplex communications. Break at any point along the backbone will result in total networking failure. This is the bus topology. Ring topology. This is connecting to ring cable. A ring topology is connected in high-performing loop. Failure signals cable causing faults and networking states. Mesh topology. This mesh topology, each device is directly connected to all another devices. Disadvantage, this number of NIC required in each device and is complex cabling. This is very complex cabling. Star topology. Most commonly used topology, this is star topology. Constant of centralized device which can be either switch or hub. This device connected to various ports of the centralized device. Thanking you, were tech dude. Please subscribe my videos. Please like my videos.